Laura Fox. Welcome to Mum Flails Podcast / Clever Fox Studio. So I've got a podcast. I also have clients. I help them. I've been doing marketing for, 16 years, helping businesses grow. I have so many clients asking for ways for me to help them with their graphic design work, with their logos, with their podcasts, their thumbnails, and how to, create different images. For example, take pictures and make them transparent. Take logos. How do you make them transparent so they show up so you don't have a background? So I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So those of you who have Canva Pro, I use Canva, the free version, forever. Built an entire business, my Early Reader Academy business, using it. I ended up upgrading. I love Canva. Huge fan. If you guys need Pro, I'll put a link down below. If you don't, here's a free trick for all of you. Let's do this thing. Don't forget to subscribe, review, rate, whatever. Listen to my show. All those fun things, because apparently now I'm in the game. Here we go. Let's go. Let's do this thing. Enjoy this tip. This is for you. Free transparent backgrounds. This is Laura Fox, Mum Flails Podcast. I've been doing a lot of Insta story tricks and hacks, and I help clients all the time. One of the things, I love Canva. I use it all the time. If you guys want to join, I'm going to be doing a free masterclass soon. But for those of you who do not have a paid Pro Canva version, I'm going to show you something super awesome. Most of you do have computers included with your computers. You get PowerPoint and you get Keynote. When you open Keynote and you put in a file, so I've got a couple files here from this incredible, amazing Annie DeNovo. She's just started her new podcast. Go and listen to it. It's called This Wild Ride. But what I'm going to show you guys today is how to make a background transparent to then use in your artwork, graphic design work, your Insta photos, whatever it is you're doing. Okay, so I am in Keynote, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on over here to the right. You can see my cursor, and Instant Alpha is what it is. And then all you do is you take your cursor. It's super, super simple, and you literally just hit the button. Like it literally just did it for me. That was how quickly it was. Okay, done. Look at that. Instantly, I've got in my logo, or Annie's logo, now transparent background. Same sort of kicker. Over here, Instant Alpha. I am going to, and so if it doesn't notice all the black right away, or the background because it's difficult to detect, you just go nice and slow. And you'll see how it, at the top above her head there, is still kind of getting some of that gray. And when you think it's good to go, you don't want it to go into her hair. Let go, and boom, shakalaka. Now, legit, I've got Annie transparent. Now I can copy, and then I can go back and see, right? And I can literally just drop it in. See, I've already done it, but I just copy and pasted. So if you've got the Canva free version, you don't need to resize your images. It's the biggest reason why I love the Pro. Resizing, obviously, to what you need for the different social platforms everywhere, and everything in terms of advertising has different sizes. So that's the biggest reason why I upgraded mine. But there we go, right? So you can put transparency on anything. So follow me, Mum Flails Podcast, on Instagram, and have a listen to my podcast. I'd love that. It's for moms and business and women and entrepreneurs, and it's just a motivating show. We don't fail, we flail. And Annie is incredible. This Wild Ride. Go subscribe to her show. If you enjoyed this free tip, subscribe to you.